Welcome to Cutman's Gear Garage. In part one of the Viking Voyage large backpack review, we're starting with the foundation: build quality and materials, zippers, buckles and hardware, storage capacity, organization, and accessibility. Let's get into it.
Hey, this is the Cut Man, aka the Common Road Traveler. Viking Bag reached out to me last week and asked me to do a review on one of their bags, this backpack. This is a good looking backpack. It came in a nice cardboard box wrapped in plastic. So what we're gonna do is I have a checklist that I use to review stuff. Nothing's choreographed. I'm not getting anything from Viking Bags. I told them I'd give my honest review and we'll go from there. Okay, the first thing we're gonna look at is the build quality and material. I checked it out before, the zippers. Everything on the bag looks good, it's well made. You got clips where you can clip other things to it. You got straps here on the front. You got pockets on both sides. On the back, you got nice backpack straps with a chest strap. And also you got some more straps on here. You got Velcro that's connected to your sissy bar or your motorcycle. We'll be putting it on the road key for long-term tests. Up top here you got a little pouch here. You also have another one up here. Remember, this bag is water resistant, not waterproof. It does come with a rain cover. We'll be putting that to the test. What I did was, this bag to me would be good for commuting or overnight trip. And if you're really hardcore, a 5-day trip. The majority of the stuff, I went ahead and pre-packed the bag so I could unpack it to give you an idea of what this bag can hold. The majority of the things in here are for a 5-day trip. So that's pretty impressive because I wear a venture suit, so I don't take a lot of clothes. So we're gonna go ahead and unpack it. Okay, your mother always told you to bring underwear. We got some socks in here. We'll go ahead and unzip it. See, I got a lot of stuff in here. You got a pair of jeans, another shirt, pair of jeans, shirt, shirt, shirt. Gotta have my mask so I can sleep at night. Even has a little radio on it. Some of them old soldiers be snoring. Got some pajama pants, another shirt. Got some lotion, can't be rolling around here looking all crusty. Just in case I need to wash some clothes. I got some, these are like paper strips for dishwash, for laundry. It's pretty cool. Got some dude wipes. Gotta stay fresh. Got some flip-flops, of course, Harley Davidson. Earplugs, old soldier sleep. Got some medication because I'm old. Toiletry bag. Another shirt. And I had 2 pockets I didn't even use. So you see here, there's plenty of, see if we can put a laptop case in here. I got a laptop case, see if we put a laptop case in here. Yep, we put a laptop case. So this is a nice bag. It's made in Pakistan. is 100% polyester, mild steel on the outer. It says PU leather. I think that means right here. I don't know if that means fake leather or what, but I even noticed that. That's nice. The inner is 100% polyester, foam, and ABS plastic, made in Pakistan. You got some more clips in here where you can use it as, I guess it hinges. Well, overall, it's a good bag. So, let's go to the cut man's checklist. Build quality, definitely I'm gonna give it a 15 on that. 15 out of 15. Zipper buckles and hardware, 10 out of 10. Storage capacity, impressive, 15 out of 15. Organization and accessibility, 10 out of 10. Okay, the next step to this adventure will be hooking it to the motorcycle, putting it on the road, and also to see how much is it water resistant or waterproof.